Good evening, Patna Sahib Singh Pathshala. Today we are going to post a weekly question from 8th July to 14th July 2024. So let us start with the questions of the day. The source of the question is Indian Economy by Ramesh Singh, chapter number 2, and Monthly Policy Review May 2024, PIB May 2024. Question number 1. Features Features of the self-regulatory organization in the fintech sector includes 1. The SRO must function objectively under RBI's oversight. It should aim for sustainable development of the sector. 3. Act as a legitimate arbiter of disputes between members. 4. Encourage its members to adhere to regulatory priorities. A. Statement 1, 2 and 3 are correct. B. Statement 2 and 3 are correct. C. Statement 1 and 4 are correct. D. All statements are correct. Question number 2. What types of insurance products are offered under the Master Circular to customer? 1. All ages. 2. All types of medical conditions. 3. Pre-existing and chronic conditions. All system of medicine and treatment. 5. All types of hospitals and healthcare providers. A. All statements are correct. B. None statements are correct. C. One statement correct. D. More than two statements are correct. Question number 3. What is the name of Antarctic Research Station which is planned by India to set up? A. Maitri 1, Maitri 2, Maitri 3, Maitri 3.0, Maitri 4.4. Question number 4. Choose the correct option from the given data. सहृदया लोकाना. 2. Panchatantra. 3. Ramacharitramanas. And match is Pandit Vishnu Sharma. 2. Acharya Anandvardhan. 3. Goswami Tulsidas. A. 1 3 2 1 3 2. B. 1 2 2 1 3 3. C. 1 1 2 2 3 3. D. 1 3 2 2 3 1. Question number 5. Which countries are fulfilling applications under the Citizenship Amendment filing? Which countries are filing applications under Citizenship Amendment Rules 2024? A. Pakistan. B. Bangladesh. C. Afghanistan. All of the above. Question number 6. World Happiness Report is released by A. United Nations Organization. B. World Bank. C. IMF. D. None. Question number 7. Which of the following statement is true about economic growth? A. 1. Economic growth is an increase in economic variables over a period of time. 2. The most important aspect of growth is its quantifiability. 3. One cannot measure it in absolute terms. 4. We may say that economic growth is a quantitative progress. A. Statement 1, 2 and 3 are correct. B. Statement 2, 3 and 4 are correct. C. Statement 1, 3 and 4 are correct. D. Statement 1, 2 and 4 are correct. Question number 8. Which of the following cases are correct about growth and development? A. Higher growth and higher development. B. Higher growth but lower development. Lower growth but higher development. All of the above. Question number 9. Human Development Report is published by A. UNDP. B. UNO. C. World Bank. D. All. Question number 10. Which countries has given concept of gross national happiness? Nepal, America, Bhutan, Japan. Kindly solve these questions and search the correct answers from the given resources itself, and that is the best way to develop the ability to analyze and develop the ability to understand the basic concepts, which is the real demand of the UPSC civil services examination. So solve it. Go ahead. Good luck.